Chicken broth is a must for this soup that makes this soup both healthy and delicious. Chicken pieces, potatoes, carrots, and celery pieces and cook over low heat for 1 hour after boiling. After 1 hour, remove the chicken pieces. Vegetables do not remove from the pot. We will continue in the same pot. Put the carrots and potatoes in the pot on the stove. Chop them into large pieces and add them. Then we add tomato paste to the water and turn the heat back up so that the water boils again. Soak the lentils and bulgur in hot water for 5 minutes. Then, wash them well. You can put them in the pot immediately after washing. We put a medium-sized onion in large pieces in our pot. Now it's time for the spices. After adding them, we add a glass of hot water to the soup and cook the soup on low heat for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, with the help of a blender, we blend our soup for 2 minutes until it gets a smooth consistency. We add butter and salt to flavor our soup even more. If the consistency thickens a little, you can add a little more water like me. Bon appetit!